Here's the truth most sellers learn too late. A staged home sells faster, draws more offers, and closes for more than the identical house next door that wasn't. And the work is mostly cheap and almost entirely in your control. I'm Ryan Solberg with MaxLife Realty, and this is the exact room by room playbook we run before every listing: what to fix, what to skip, and how to make buyers fall in love before they ever walk through the door. Here's why this matters so much. Nearly all buyers, about 96% per the National Association of Realtors, start their search online. So your home is really competing twice, once in the photos and again in person. Everything you do to prep is designed to win both showings. Win the screen and the in-person walkthrough, and you win the offer. Before you stage anything, triage your repairs into 3 buckets. Fix the deal killers, things like an old roof, active leaks, or broken AC, because those stop a buyer's financing and insurance. Fix the cheap, high return items like neutral paint and dated fixtures. And the big remodels, don't over improve, just price them in. In Florida especially, an insurable roof and a working AC sell more homes than any renovation. Next is the highest impact free step there is: declutter and depersonalize. Start 3 to 4 weeks out, because it always takes longer than you think. Clear 30 to 50% of everything off your counters and shelves. You're packing anyway. Take down the family photos and personal items and pair your closets to half full. Then deep clean and win the nose test, because odors quietly send buyers out the door. Now stage it room by room, because this is where buyers fall in love. In the kitchen, clear the counters down to 1 or 2 items. In the living room, float the furniture off the walls and open every blind. In the bedrooms, hotel-style bedding and a made bed in each. In the baths, hide the toiletries and set out fresh white towels. And outside, your Florida advantage, stage the lanai like a destination. Here's the mistake that quietly costs sellers the most: leaving the home cluttered and over personalized. When your stuff is everywhere, the family photos, the collections, the full counters, buyers can't picture their own life in the home, so they move on. The close cousin is dark rooms, closed blinds, and burned out bulbs make a home feel small and tired. Clear it out, open it up, and turn on every light. Then, don't forget the curb, because the front of your home is the very first photo a buyer sees. Power wash the driveway and the exterior. Lay fresh mulch, trim the hedges, and edge the beds. Paint or refresh the front door and add 2 matching potted plants. And clean every window inside and out. A cared for exterior tells a buyer the whole house has been loved. Pull it all together and your home looks like the best house on the block. The full room by room staging guide is free, and live right now at maxliferealty.com/home staging checklist. Go grab it before you list. And if you'd rather have me walk your home and build a tailored prep punch list, that's exactly what I do. Call or text me at 321-373-3536. I'm Ryan Solberg with MaxLife Realty,